You just got your bank statement, and there it is, a charge you completely forgot about. Maybe it's a streaming service you haven't touched in months, or a subscription that just stopped making sense. Or it's ChatGPT, something a lot of people are rethinking today. At some point, you subscribed to ChatGPT to write faster, think better, or boost productivity. But now, maybe you're using it less. Maybe it feels disconnected from your actual work. Or maybe it's just become another monthly charge you don't really question anymore. Well, you're not alone, and canceling your ChatGPT subscription is actually much easier than most people think. So in this video, we'll look at exactly how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription, and stay till the end because we'll show you a tool that gives you multiple AI models inside your actual workspace, all under one subscription. But first, canceling your ChatGPT subscription. So if you subscribe through the OpenAI website, here's what you do. Log into ChatGPT. Click your profile icon on the top right, hit Settings, then Subscription or Account, then click on Manage. You'll see a Cancel Subscription button, click it, confirm, and you're done. Now, if you're on mobile, the process is a bit different. For iPhone users, you're actually going through Apple, not OpenAI. So open your settings, go to your Apple account, go to Subscriptions, find ChatGPT, and hit Cancel. For Android users, it's the same process, but just through Google Play. Open the Play Store, tap your profile, go to Subscriptions, find ChatGPT, and cancel. Pretty painless, right? Now, what happens after you hit that cancel button? You don't lose access right away. Your subscription stays active until the end of your current billing cycle. So if you cancel on 7th December 2025 and your renewal is on the 7th January 2026, you've still got 1 month. Just make sure you cancel at least 24 hours before your next billing date to avoid getting charged again. As for refunds, unfortunately, ChatGPT subscriptions are generally non-refundable. And if you change your mind later, reactivating is simple. Just log back in and hit Upgrade to Plus. But let's get real about the problem with ChatGPT. A lot of people cancel ChatGPT not because they don't need an AI, but because ChatGPT alone doesn't solve the real problem. You're still switching between 10 different tools. Your notes live in one place, your tasks in another, your AI in a third. Sometimes it even gives you answers that might sound confident but are inaccurate. It's all disconnected. And honestly, that's exhausting. So instead of canceling AI, imagine you just upgraded to an AI that actually fits your work process. That's where you say hello to ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI. The very first thing that sets it apart is you're not limited to one AI model. ClickUp Brain gives you access to multiple top-tier language models, all in one workspace, at the price of one subscription. So depending on what you need, you can tap into the best model for the job without juggling accounts or copy-pasting between tools. Second, ClickUp Brain isn't just floating in its own window, it lives inside your workspace. Let's say you're prepping for a product launch. You can ask Brain to summarize all related tasks and meeting notes, or even give you product updates after searching your workspace. It understands your work context, so when you ask what's left to do, it pulls real actionable data from your actual work. And to make it even better, ClickUp BrainGPT comes as your AI desktop companion. It can search the web for current data, dig through your entire workspace for that buried comment, and lets you control it all with your voice. And BrainGPT is not just reading and writing, it's listening too. Working on a doc but your hands are busy? Just talk. BrainGPT's talk-to-text feature captures everything you say and turns it into polished written content. Another major game changer are ClickUp's AI agents that actually do the work on your behalf. Set them up and they'll automatically assign tasks, auto-track progress, and respond when you can't look into team chats. So while ChatGPT helps you think faster, ClickUp helps you work faster. And if you just canceled ChatGPT because you wanted something that actually understands how you work, you just found it. Head to ClickUp.com and see what happens when AI meets your actual workflow.